This is lobster rice that is no longer eaten. Don't throw it away, we can make a delicious snack. And it's very easy to make. This is crystalline salt. We only use this crystalline salt for half a pack. We will mix this crystalline salt with a little water to dissolve it. This makes food dry salt in traditional markets. This is the marinade, and nut, garlic, pepper, and hazelnut. We grind all the herbs and spices. If your area is cold, the more pepper, the tastier and lighter it is. The more hazelnut, the taste will be more savory. First we grind the pepper, then grind the hazelnut. Then the garlic is crushed the last. After the mix the spices, white crystalline salt. Previously, we have mixed the crystalline salt solution in the rice and we stir it evenly. After, we mix the salt solution with rice. Then we steam for about 15 minutes. After steaming for 15 minutes, then left. Then we move it to another container so that it composes faster. After all the ingredients have been transferred. Next we wait a moment so the dates a little cool. For this we need stones to pound rice dough strongly. We repeat the strong pounding main stammy until it blends briefly. We do it continuously, the longer the better, because we need a well mixed dough that resembles flour dough. This is the base for drying the dough later. It is made of woven bamboo. We continue to pound the dough until we are tired. When finished, we left drying. Next, we prime with traditional tools. This tool is made of wood. Its function is only to clamp the dough. It is very easy to make and use this tool. Try to watch this tool is very simple, but can blend well. can't assemble these tools, but the friend is very good and helpful.
Wis double. Sugi ya.
Kok Pak iki ya kok Pak iki lah sugi iki boleh nek sesuk to kok saiki.
After has been printed, stay in the center completely dry.